what we're gonna be doing with Dawn is, we just highlighted her hair with foils, and we're gonna be giving her a light trim. As you can tell, I don't necessarily take a whole lot of sections, not on her haircut anyway. I'm cutting her hair and going on 35 years. Decided to give her some highlights today and just go through and do a little trim, get some of those split ends out. So basically what I'm doing is I just comb the hair straight down.
You say that.
I'm nipping off those ends. Do the same thing on this side.
I have a lady here. Then I can plug out my own straight. So I do pretty easy.
I mean, you see mine, but if it straighten it, and it's so good, it's like, dang, I did nothing.
I will do a separate video live at the end of the blow dry on Dawn, so you guys can see the end results.
I don't know if it'll pull up on the way here. Like, while it's on too.
You know, one day I started having detox.
Okay, don't just keep your head right there. Don't turn it.
I just popped my back in. Yeah, just take it on. Like, nothing else, mine goes all the way to the back. So, and then my leg will be like angled. So then if I straighten it, yeah, it's quite something to witness.
It's so painful too.
It doesn't even matter anymore.
I'm living in my
Girl, I was working with other Texans there, so I mean, honestly,
And that's it. We're just nipping those split ends out of there.
What do you mean?
I had one leg split taken out because it was dead.
Are you in Tustin?
Recording it down the middle
Yeah, foot with your intestines. Okay, then you said you had your foot.
and working that all the way around.
I didn't know.
Oh,
You
wow.
don't cry down so fast. Well, I thought I did was take a
You
knee.
just automatic, right?
I'm just a machine. Just give me some coffee and I'm good to go.
I do like my coffee.
Hey, I got a message me in the morning before I had it.
My wife is tender-headed, so I'm trying to be gentle. So she says, ow. So she says, ow, while I'm doing the cut. You'll understand why. She has a lot of natural curl.
I didn't hear
How long is some things?
But I had
Can't answer questions.
I had some help with the highlights with the foils. 3 ladies here in the salon, and I'm very grateful for that.
It was really funny, actually. Don't have there.
This is Riley by eight.
I would like it.
Can't camera bomb this Riley.
But Dawn and I have been working for Fantastic Sam's, the Maselli couple, Michelli, Marcus and Stephanie Michelli, since, well, I have since November, and Dawn's in her 2nd or 3rd week at the salon in Prairieville. And I work in Hammond, Fantastic Sam's, Monday and Tuesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
It is, like you would go to
I work in
Hammond,
the
and then you would
Prairieville
go-
salon.
I think you're going to Mississippi.
So you got to work that one.
And they've done a lot of positive changes
Work there as well.
to the salons,
I'm manager of the other store.
and they're gonna be
Are you
making
just helping out here?
a lot
Yeah,
more
so that's what I'm
changes.
coming for.
I think I might have.
Dawn and I are excited about that.
One time.
Maybe, I'm there all the time. It's like I live there.
It was, yeah.
Will be Farley. He switches people. Then John. Was Stephanie during
You
here?
okay, Betty?
And I probably wasn't there. If she's there, I'm usually not, because we'll switch. Me and Steph.
Ladies and guys with longer hair, especially longer hair, it's a wise choice to get your split ends nipped out every 5 weeks. That's what I recommend. Every 5 weeks. Your hair is going to grow approximately anywhere between 1/4 to 1/2 inch of new growth. And the ends are going to split after a fresh cut. And the longer you wait to get them out of there, you just keep traveling up the hair shaft. And your hair ends up in a hot mess.
Yeah, that's my home.
We have excellent products here as
I live
well.
there.
She-Line and
No, I mean, honestly, really.
Some other
I'll be
lines.
anywhere,
Hope Right, so on and
but
so
my
forth.
workers actually.
So when you sit down in my chair, I don't just cut your hair. I educate you. The education's free. I educate you about proper home hair care.
It's that. They just like hanging out with me. Yeah, they just genuinely like me. I don't understand it either.
Well, I mean, that's a good thing,
I guess so. They message me all day.
And some of you watching the video may say, well, he needs to be taking a bunch of sections, and I respect that. And I learned that
It is
technique
funny,
as
though.
well.
I mean, I could be in the room and it's.
But I also learned this technique
30 seconds and one of them's fine.
from a guy that I worked for years ago. He's deceased now. He's the guy that was real tough on me, trying to get used to wrapping perms on hair about that long that he
I
would
would say so.
cut and then have us wrap his perms. Some of you watching this video know exactly what I'm talking about.
Thank you for doing
But
that on the last minute.
I love wrapping perms now. I'm good with perms, and I cut your hair prior to perming. I don't perm your hair and then cut it.
Carol has a work zone.
As my friend that I'm speaking of used to say, if you're cutting your hair, cutting the hair, client's hair after perming it, you're basically just cutting out your mistakes. You shouldn't have any mistakes. The hair's protected.
I had a lady
With the
that waited
papers.
for me for 3 months.
Shouldn't be any
She doesn't.
mistakes.
And he, you need to know how to shoot me.
Of course, that's another video.
Like, yeah.
We'll make a video in the future.
Got my email.
She's like, really? I said, yeah. Yeah.
Make a video in the future of me wrapping a perm.
Past 5 years.
Perms are back, ladies. They're not coming back. They are back.
You know, I've never had a pedicure. Ever.
Are you serious?
I'm really ticklish on my feet.
You know what? I thought I would be until I had it.
Oh, no, I am. There's no thinking about it. Oh, yeah.
Say that's why my mom can't do it.
Also, I just don't like people touching me. I'm a weirdo. As much as I touch people for my job, I don't like people touching me.
It's different. I like
I think I'm addicted.
Really?
It's like the thing, what I do from here.
I was telling her why I don't get my nails done anymore. Because my hands are water so much, they just pop up. You know, the chances of me getting a fungus because of that is really high. And so I actually do an antifungal underneath the acrylic.
Wow.
And then she started telling me it was like $165 each nail. And I was like,
Oh,
you know,
no,
I don't want anything fancy.
Yeah.
Like,
See, I keep my nails super short. I usually-
yeah, like I don't want to design or anything.
Oh my
Like I just want them to not look like
Okay,
stuff.
I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna start blow drying Dawn's hair, and then when I'm close to being finished, I'll show you the end result.
I know my nails.
Thank you.